so we're doing the squishy versus real food challenge. So we have no idea what's under here. One of us has a squishy thing and one of us has something real. Cole is just gonna keep coming in and out and surprising us with what's under these.
And there's 10 rounds.
10 rounds. That is a lot.
Okay,
All
let's
right.
get opening.
Okay.
Ready, set, go! I got ice cream!
Yum.
Now comes round 2. That ice cream's so yummy. Bye.
So a quick side rule, also how the game's gonna go, is Evelyn can decide whether she wants to keep her item or swap her item with her mom. So you can decide, do you want to keep it or swap it? So you don't know what's under, but you can either keep or swap.
You want to swap?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How do I open mine?
Just lift it. Ready? Go!
Oh my
Oh, this is nice.
goodness! Squishy. Let's do the next round.
Okay, I closed.
No peeking.
Okay.
This is a big decision.
I know. I'll,
Do you want the real food or the squishy food? Which one do you want?
Oh, careful.
I didn't see it.
5, 4, 3,
2, 1!
I got the squishy fries. Why do you always start eating right away?
So cool. I got the real fries. Next round.
Don't pee. All right, do you want to keep yours or you want to swap with me? You want to feel mine?
How heavy it
Let me feel.
is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10! Wow!
What are these?
What are these?
Are these squishy marshmallows?
Uh-huh.
Cause you got real marshmallows. These are cool. Squish them.
Ooh.
These squishy marshmallows are my fave. You wanna go show the camera how cool they are?
This is a
Man, these like actually feel like just like marshmallows.
And you can eat them.
No, you can't eat those.
Do not eat squishies.
Here's a big marshmallow. Here's a panda. And it's not squishy.
No looking. No looking. No looking. Okay.
Okay. All right. Well, do you want to keep yours or switch?
Switch.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna count this time.
Okay.
Cause I'm gonna count down. You've been counting up.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
How do you keep getting the food?
Look how big.
You can take mine. You got the food. You eat your food. I got my squishy.
That's my squishy.
This is my squishy. You keep taking all my food away. Oh.
Let's go to the next round.
Okay.
You're a traitor! Did you see?
Yeah.
You want to keep yours?
Let's swap.
Okay. All right. She's cheating!
Cheater!
No, is it a flower?
You're not supposed to cheat.
Is it a flower? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, cheeseburger! I got food this time. That means I can eat this whole cheeseburger. I can eat the whole thing.
That's what I mean.
You didn't want it though. You chose a squishy.
So this is the ears, this is the nose, that's the eyes, and these are the hair.
Those are the hairs?
Yeah. The swickers.
The what?
The swickers.
The whiskers. The whiskers.
The
The
whiskers.
Snickers.
Whiskers.
Squeeze it for him.
Cute.
Squeeze it for him.
Let's get to the next round.
No, okay, no more cheating. It's not fun if we're cheating.
If you lift it up, then you don't get any of them.
You want to keep yours, or
What did you smell?
do you want to switch?
What did you smell?
I can't tell you what I smell.
I saw it. I know what you said.
You want to keep or switch? You want to keep?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I got Oreos,
That's squishy.
but I got real Oreos. I got her good.
Okay.
Yay!
You want to switch or keep? You want to switch? I
Why?
could have been tricking you. Or maybe I'm tricking you now.
Okay, I'll keep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I love lemons. That doesn't faze you at all? Whoa!
Yummy.
Babe, squeeze a bunch of lemon juice in her mouth and see what she does.
Okay, let's see. Open your mouth.
Yummy.
Even more.
Yummy.
What did you get? You got a big squishy lemon? This is cool. I love these things. This is fun. Look at this one. This one's my favorite. I keep saying that. But I really like this one. This one's huge.
Wait, no, Mom, that's not huge. This is huge.
No, it's so big.
This is huge.
Yeah, this one's pretty big too. Next round.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Oh my god. Okay, so this is the grand finale round.
Grand finale.
Why is it so heavy?
I don't know.
No peeking. Guess what you think it is, Ev?
Don't touch.
You can't move it on.
All right, what do you think this round is?
I'll keep mine.
You want to keep yours? Don't look.
I'll keep mine.
What do you think it is?
It's a water squish.
A water squishy? And you think I got water?
We're not gonna count down.
We're not gonna count down. We're just gonna open it.
Okay, ready, set,
Ready? Go!
Oh!
Everly, have another bite.
Oh my
Have a bite of
goodness!
that. Have a bite of that. That looks good.
Wait, get your face in it. Mom.
Wait, take another bite.
Why?
Because it looks really good. Take another bite. Take another bite. Take another one. Why do you keep putting your face all the way into it like that? What's happening to you? You should take another bite. No? Oh, you get it now. You see what I'm doing?
Here, wait, eat some.
Why do you have cake all over your face?
Eat some.
Why do you have cake all over your
Mom,
face?
eat some. It's good.
Babe, smell your squishy.
So I got a squishy cake.
Oh, look how good this is. I look like a clown.
You do kind of look like that.
And this is a little squishy cake. It's really big. Big. Very squishy.
Smell it.
Does it smell good?
It smells really good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Give this video a big thumbs up. And watch it because it's fun. I got all those squishies up in there.
It is fun to watch. Everly posts every
Tuesday.
so you gotta watch your videos on Tuesday, right? But thanks for watching. We had so much fun making this squishy versus real food challenge.
Yeah, and I got a lot of squishies.
And now everybody has a lot of squishies to play with. And a huge cake all for herself. Did you eat that whole thing tonight? Alright, well thanks for watching guys. We love you. Peace.